again. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, we're gonna make soy braised chicken wings. So let's get right into it guys. You know Mama V doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start off by making our chicken marinade. And for the marinade, I'm gonna combine cornstarch, soy sauce, rice vinegar. Then I'm gonna combine all this together. Okay, once our slurry is good, now I'm gonna add garlic, red pepper flakes, and some sugar. Then I'm gonna combine all this together. Next, I'm gonna pour my marinade, the chicken. Then we're using my wooden spoon. I'm gonna mix everything together. Guys, it depends. You can even use your hands to mix. Okay, now we're gonna transfer the chicken wings into the bowl. I'm gonna cover the bowl and let it marinate overnight. The wings are marinated. Now it's time to cook them. Into that I have about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now I'm gonna add my wings. So we're gonna cook these wings for 5 to 10 minutes until they are brown on all sides. Now we're gonna cook our wings. Next, I add a little bit of sesame oil. I add chicken broth. Then I'm gonna cover this and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we're gonna turn our chicken. It smells so good in here guys. So we're gonna add green onions. The chicken is ready. Now I'm gonna transfer it into a platter. There you have it guys, soy braised chicken wings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my heart.